Hey guys, welcome to brand new videos, and in today's video we're going to be talking about data types in Python. Now, let's jump into right here and let's get started. Now, there is a few right here, but we're only going to be focusing on two of them for today, integers and floating points. The other two, like string list dictionaries, we're going to be covering them in another video. So let's talk about what integers and floating points are. Well, integers are whole numbers like 3, 300, 200, or basically numbers that don't have a decimal point. But floating points are the opposites of integers. So like they have decimal points like 2.3, 4.6, 100.0. That 0.0 changes the whole thing from an integer to a floating point. Now let's go to Google Colab, create a new code. Alright, so let's start by using them. Now we're going to be using them as a calculator. Now let's say 2 plus 3. Yep, it can absolutely do anything. Right? Since it's a new tab, it has to just do a warm up, right? So we're gonna give it. Okay, that's warmed up. Now, why do we use this as a calculator when we have it on our phone, right? Well, hold up, get your phone, open it, great. Go to your calculator. Alright, now turn it sideways so it's a scientific calculator. So I want you guys to challenge your phone. Let's say 124 to the power 824. You see, it can't solve that. What is this? For example, you have a question where it says 8024 to the power 8024. I don't think you guys will have that kind of question, but let's say you do. What do? You can use your phone. Here, in Google Colab, we're going to do this. 824 to the power 824. You see? This too, multiplication sign means to the power. So we have 824 to the power 824. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay. It did the equation really quickly, really easily. Now, I think we should challenge Python. Shall we? What about that? You guys think you can solve that? Let's find out. Wow. It actually did. Okay. It's pretty good. Let's give it another challenge. Okay, this number is crazy. In just a few milliseconds, it does it. Isn't that just crazy? Okay, it's went too far. Let's see how far it can go, right? Alright. Oh yeah. Now you're struggling, aren't you? Well, that was just like a few seconds. Okay. When you do equations, Python goes in PEMDAS order. For example, let's say we have 2 plus 3 minus 7 times 88 divided by 3. Well, for example, we have this equation. Now let's say run. Negative 200.33333 something. Now, how does this go? For example, first it does this. 7 times 88. Now let's see what that is. 7 times 88. Well, wait. Negative 7 times 88. Let's run it. Okay. The next thing it does is divides it by 3. Alright, my bad. Alright, so we have negative 616 divided by 3. Alright, okay. Then it does 200, 2 plus 3, 5. Then it does negative 5 minus 2, 205.33333 and 4. Enter, and okay, we get the point. Wait, this is supposed to be 5, not 4. There, 5. I keep pressing 4. There we go. I did mode. We're gonna talk about mode in just a second. Okay, so it's right. You can do math. Great. Now let's open a new code. Okay. Now we're going to be learning about something new in this lesson, and that's this symbol. So we have this equation. Let's run it. 7 mode 3 is 1. Okay, what's 7 divided by 3? It's 2.3. Now, what is the difference between dividing and mode? Now, the reason I used mode with an example of dividing, because it's pretty much dividing. So, okay, get the point. So, what is mode? So what mode does is gets the number on its right hand side, puts it on the 1 on the left hand side. So what do I mean? So let's say we in here in this equation we have 7 mode 3. So what it does is gets 3, puts it into 7 as most as it can. So 3, 6, right? Now, it can't put 3 anymore and 7. What is the remainder number that's left? For example, it says 3. Okay, I can put one more. Another 3. 6. Can I put one more? No, I can't. What is the remainder number? And that it's 1. 6 and 7. There's only one remainder, right? Yeah. Let's try another example that will make more sense. 18 mode 10. Let's run it. It's 8. Why? Because 10 can go into 18 once, it can't go anymore, and the remainder number is 8. So we have our number 8 right here. Now, our equation, does PEMDAS right here, right? It'll follow PEMDAS right here. First, 7 times, negative 7 times 88 divides 3, adds 2 plus 3, and subtracts, right? What does it do with the mod? When does it do it? So let's have the same equation. 2 plus 3 minus 7 divided by 88, right? Wait, no. Times 88 divided by 3. No, and that mode, let's do, actually here, let's do like this. 2 plus 3, right, divided by 1, or 2. Then we're gonna do 2 times 94, and that's mode 3. Alright, run it. 2. Just 2. Let's do it by PEMDAS and leave mode as the last one we have. So first we have 3 divided by 2. What is 3 divided by 2? So, well, 3 divided by 2 is, right, is 1.5. 1.5. Did I do that right? Yeah, it's 1.5. So 1.5 times 94. Times 94. Well, oops. 141. And what do we have next? Plus 2. 141 plus 2. And then we have 143 and 143. Mode. Where's mode? There we go. 3. Yep. It leaves mode to the last. Alright. Now, how else can we use mode as? Well, we can use mode to find if a number is even or odd. So let's just spam random numbers. Now let's say we want to see if this is odd or even. Now we're just gonna say mode 2. Now if it's not 0, our other number, it's odd. If it's 0, it's even. Let's run it. 0. This whole thing, something 900 quadrillion, is even number. Let's try another one. Let's say let's say if this is even or not. And mode 2, let's run it. What happened? Did I do something wrong? Sir, what did I do wrong? There we go. I had the 0 there, my bad. It's 1. It's not 0, so it's odd number. So I think this is it, guys. On the next video, we're going to be talking about strings, and see you on that video.